I love beans. And when I say beans, I mean every kind. Everything from green beans and baked beans, which make the perfect side dishes, to navy and kidney beans that are perfect in our soups. But my all-time favorite bean is probably the cocoa bean. Yeah, the cocoa bean. According to the dictionary, chocolate is a food prepared from ground roasted cocoa beans. So, if chocolate is made from beans, and beans are a vegetable, wouldn't it make sense that chocolate is a vegetable too? I think it is. So now, let me show you one of my favorite bean recipes. To make this chocolate zucchini bread, we combine some flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and cocoa. In another bowl, we mix together a good amount of grated zucchini, a few eggs, vegetable oil, a bunch of pecans, and a splash of vanilla. This gets mixed with our dry ingredients, and into a couple of loaf pans it goes. After it bakes and has cooled, it's ready to slice and serve. And since this makes 2 tasty loaves, you can eat one and gift the other. To get the recipe for our chocolate zucchini bread, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a chocolatey veggie way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm.